Hi everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this episode of TechLog, I will be showing you how to create a imo account. Now to do that, first of all, open the imo application that you have downloaded. Once you're at the home page of imo, you will have this page over here. Here, you need to tap on the drop-down menu of the country and choose the country region that you are from. And then below, you need to type in the number. Then tap on the tick mark beside it. Is this correct number? Tap on OK. Now you need to provide your full name. Then tap on tick mark. Your avatar is visible for front. You need to provide a profile picture. Tap on the circle. Choose from album. Allow imo to access photo, media and file on your device. Tap on allow. Now select the picture that you want as your profile picture and then tap on the tick mark. This will make the changes and profile picture will be updated. Tap on tick mark to save the profile. So this is how you can create imo account for yourself. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.